what we have there, I've just played the chords that we're going to use for this lesson. So we have G, E minor, C, D, and G. Return to G. Okay, so here we go, and this is how we go to achieve these. So what we're going to look at, to form the G chord, we're going to use our second finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then we're going to place our third finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret. And then our little finger, our 4th finger, on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Now, if you notice here that what I'm going to do is I have my thumb here, maybe you just see it just like slightly above the fretboard, but generally in the range behind the 2nd fret. And we're going to try and promote this gap, working on this, that it's not a grip, it's a hold, and we're going to sort of get our fingers to stand up like that. Okay, so if you can get in position like that, and we'll talk about strumming in a moment, but we're just going to get that shape, okay? So we're looking for arches here. Okay, so you're up on your tippy toes. Okay, now you may find a little bit of pain or discomfort, and that's normal because the tips of your fingers are also pain warners, and they're trying to tell you, oh, be careful, you might hurt your fingers. But we know we're not going to hurt your fingers, so if you just press through, and you will get like little marks on your fingers, but they eventually harden up a bit and they have little calluses, and you won't notice that after a while, any sort of discomfort. So we have the G chord. So if we let that go, you're going to find that it just sort of, oh, I have to find it all over again. The object of the exercise is to sort of return them to this shape. Okay, now the way to do that is you need to teach your fingers. So what I call on-offs. So just press down lightly in that shape, lift it up, it'll try and melt away, try and freeze it with your eyes, and just return it to that shape. Now go in small steps. So first of all, maybe see if you can get 1, try for 4, 2, this finger might hop up here, don't worry, try it again, 2, 3, and 4. So don't like take your fingers off and sort of explode them way out of shape. We're trying to do the shape, just hover above the fretboard. Now this one will seem easier, E minor, quite a natural shape. So it's the 2nd finger on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. And your 3rd finger alongside that on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. So again, we sort of move them up and down together and get familiar with that shape. E minor, sort of say it in your mind or say it out loud to identify that's where E minor is. And the body picks up on that, and the body will pick up on repetition. But the important thing is that you do correct repetition, because the body will also repeat things wrongly. So perfect practice makes perfect. So be careful what you repeat. So there's E minor, that's a good demonstration how you can get that shape. Now we change to C. Now this C shape is the first one where we're going to encounter stretching across 3 frets. So this is where the big dog and little dog came in, that we will be able to stretch like that. So the first finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and bring it tight in against the fret. The 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger, try and get it in the middle there of the 5th string, 3rd fret. Again, look for the gap in your hand to stand them up. Okay, so especially when you release this type of chord, there's going to be a tendency to do that. And also when we try and reconnect the chord, you may find that you lead with your 1st finger. We'll talk about that at a later stage, but the tendency for the 1st finger and everything to follow it and then stretch out. But what we're trying to do is to return the shape like this. Okay, and then we go over to the last chord in the sequence is D. So D will be the 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the 2nd finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Again, look for the gap in the hand where they stand up there. Okay, stand them on their tippy toes and repeat that shape. It will try and melt away again. So just persevere, go for 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you find it's melting away, just try it again. Keep on trying that repetition. Okay, so find G, repeat G, E minor, C, find it as quick as you can. It'll take a little while to, I'm doing it a long time, so it's quite easy for me at this stage, and it'll be easy for you in time to come. Okay, and there is D. Okay.